Hi, I'm Dina, and welcome back to Fluentors. This is day 2 of our 7-day Speak Like a Native challenge. Yesterday, you started speaking naturally with everyday phrases. Today, we take it to the next level. Because native speakers don't say every word fully. They shorten, connect, and flow through their sentences. And you will start doing the same today. Day 2 of our 7-day Speak Like a Native challenge is all about short forms and contractions. If you use these daily, your English will sound smooth, confident, and natural. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first. Everyone starts here. By the end of today, you'll be able to shadow like a native speaker in real-life conversations.
Why short forms matter. Native speakers rarely say, "I am going to the store." Instead, they say, "I'm going to go to the store." "Do you want to join?" transforms to, "Do you want to join?" These small changes make speech faster, more natural, and easier to understand. If you shadow daily, you'll notice you speak faster naturally, you understand native speakers more easily, and you sound confident without overthinking. Remember, consistency is the key to sounding natural.
Let's learn today's short forms and shadowing. Instructions. Repeat each line after me exactly. Copy the tone, rhythm, and emotion. We'll start with basic short forms, then move to real-life sentences. 1. I'm the short form of I am. Repeat after me. I'm ready. I'm hungry. I'm going to study tonight. Great. 2. You're the short form of you are. Repeat after me. You're right. You're doing amazing. You're getting better every day. Well done! Next one is gonna, the short form of going to. Repeat after me. Copy the tone, rhythm, and emotion. I'm gonna practice English now. We're gonna meet at 7. Are you gonna join us? Wanna, the short form of want to. Repeat after me. Do you want to grab lunch? I want to try this new app. I want to try this new app. Want to go for a walk? Number 5. Gotta, the short form of got to, or have got to, or got a. The most common meaning is have to or need to. Now, repeat after me. I gotta finish my homework. You gotta see this movie. We gotta practice daily. Number 6. Lemme, the short form of let me. Now repeat. Let me check for you. Let me see your notes. Let me finish this first. Imagine this is your daily life. Calling a friend after work. Hey, you free tonight? Yeah, I'm free. What's up? I'm gonna grab a bite. Wanna come? Totally. Let me get ready. Cool. I'll wait outside. Hey, you wanna hit the gym later? I gotta finish some work first, but I'm in. Awesome. Let me know when you're done. Sure. You're improving, by the way. Thanks. One step at a time. Now, we're going to train your listening and speaking like natives do. Fast speech practice. This is one of the strongest ways to improve fluency because when you shadow fast English, your mouth learns natural rhythm and connected speech patterns. Don't worry if you can't catch everything at first. What matters is listen, imitate, repeat with confidence. If you keep doing this every day, your speaking speed and comprehension will automatically improve. Listen and shadow exactly as I say it. I'm gonna grab a bite. Want to join? I gotta go soon, so let me know. Grab a bite. Do you want to join? I need to go soon. Let me know. Example 2. Listen and shadow exactly as I say it. Hey, I'll call you later. I'm kinda busy right now, okay? Now slow down and shadow slowly. Hey, I will call you later. I am kind of busy right now, okay? Then shadow fast again, matching natural speed and flow. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Example 3. Fast version. Listen and shadow exactly as I say it. I don't know what happened, but everything got messed up real quick. Now slow down and shadow slowly. I do not know what happened, but everything got messed up very quickly. Then shadow fast again, copying rhythm and stress. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Example 4. Listen and shadow exactly as I say it. Fast version. We're going to meet at 8. Don't be late. We've got a tight schedule. Now slow down and shadow slowly. We are going to meet at 8. Do not be late. We have a tight schedule. Then shadow fast again, feeling the real-life native pacing. Repeat 2 to 3 times. These fast listening drills train your mouth and ears to process real native connected speech, the kind you hear in movies, conversations, and daily communication. Remember, speaking like a native is not about perfect grammar. It's about rhythm, flow, and confidence. Even if you stumble, it's fine. Shadowing daily builds muscle memory. 10 minutes every day will change your English faster than you think. Consistency beats perfection. Keep practicing, and you'll notice your English sounding smooth, natural, and confident. Great work today! If you completed day 1 and day 2, you're already starting to sound natural. Tomorrow, we'll learn the everyday expressions native speakers use, the kind that makes your English sound like a real conversation. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You can speak like a native. And remember, if this is helping you, stay with the Fluentors 7-day series with Dina, because we are building your fluency step by step every single day.